Is this thing on? Okay, cool. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Drifted here, and welcome to day 2 of Drifted's 12 Days of Christmas. Now today is a very special one because we're not actually playing a game today. We're doing a vlog, we're doing a decorating vlog, and I thought it'd be fun to decorate the office. Now see, I've already decorated my living room with decorations. There's the tree, there's the lights, but I haven't decorated my office yet. I'll show you what it looks like. So here's what we're working with right now. This is the office. I do all my recordings. It's pretty basic, nothing at all. So I thought, you know what, it's time to spice it up a little bit for the Christmas season. So that's what we're gonna go do today. So yeah, I think we're about ready to go. Necessary accessory here, there we go. Got my Santa hat all ready to go. Okay, let's go. Welcome to my car, sucker. All right, first of all, we gotta buckle up, safety first. And let's go and start this car. Nice. You guys might be wondering, why are you driving while recording? Isn't that dangerous? I'm telling you, I'm a completely safe driver. Stop sign. Here. Oh, there's so much stuff. Oh my gosh. You guys know I'm a cheap mother hecker. We're gonna go these all the way. Boop. 324, that'll be good enough for me. Let's get 3 of these. Ooh. Yes, I'm getting these. I want it. Okay, well, we obviously have to get this. Awesome, look great on the desk. Okay, I think we're all good. I'm gonna leave now. All right, we just got back home, so I think it's time to decorate. I have a ton of these lights here. I'm just gonna hang them around the walls. I think that would look pretty good. And I'm gonna put the tree on the corner of the desk. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, oh my gosh, that took a while. It's been a minute, but I finally have it all done and I am ready to show you guys the final product. So here we go.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting.
Well, unfortunately, that is all the time I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed day 2 of 12 Days of Christmas. And if you guys are enjoying the series so far, please make sure to subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified whenever I upload these every day. Remember, I'm uploading these till the 25th, so make sure to tune in every day to witness a new 12 Days of Christmas with Drifted. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you guys all later. Bye!